Hey love, on today's episode of Brazilian Wool, I do not know what to call this hairstyle. I don't know if I should call it a packing gel fringe or if I should call it afro, which is why I would love for you guys to watch this video till the end and then give it a name in the comment section down below. I measured my Brazilian wool in 9 inches and I'm using this bamboo stick to define my coils. So basically what I'm doing is, twisting and turning the Brazilian wool on the bamboo stick. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn to give me this particular coil pattern that I want. Guys, the way you coil your hair determines the pattern of coils you get, so you want to do this right. Once I'm done defining the coils on the bamboo stick, I'll go ahead to use my thread to secure the ends of the wool just so it doesn't loosen up. And then I'll go ahead to fix that up in my hot water and allow it to set for like 10 minutes before taking it out. Hey love, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Rose, but you can call me Rox-T Styles or Hair by Rox-T Styles, whichever one that goes well for you. Do stick around with me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel just so you get lots and lots of amazing videos to watch. To my returning subscribers, it's been quite a while. How have you guys been? It's so good to have you around. Please do not forget to like this video as well and leave a comment in the comment section down below so I know your thoughts concerning this hairstyle. Okay, let's get back to business. I just parted my hair in front. I just gave it like, a U shape and then divided the middle as well. That's my center parting. And then I'm just going to braid this individually on each section in front. I'm just giving it 3 braids. That's it. And here's what it's looking like. I'll go ahead to repeat the same step on this other side, and once I'm done, I'm going to attach the front to the second by the other side, giving it like a zigzag. The front to the second and then the second to the third. That's it. I'll go ahead to repeat the same step. The first to the second and the second to the third. So this is what it should be looking like once you're done. So now I'm moving on to the back. I'll go ahead to pack this right in the middle and I'll be attaching the front to it as well, just like an updo, and then I'm securing that with my thread. Moving on, I'll be using my Petals black gel. I'm supposed to use my Gorilla styling gel, but I actually forgot that in the store, so I'm making use of what I have available. I went ahead to apply this all over the hair, and then I used my hairbrush to, brush it all through. I'm just going to cover this up just so it dries up while I go ahead to work on my Brazilian wool. I only let this sit for 10 minutes in my hot water, and I did not allow this to dry up completely. So I'll just go ahead to unravel the coils from the bamboo stick, and then this is what the coil is looking like. So I'll use my crochet hook right now to crochet on the front to the middle part, you know, just everywhere, so it covers up both the 2 strands of hair that I braided and attached to the middle. I'll go ahead to crochet on every part of it, just like so. So I'm putting the crochet hook through the hair, attached the Brazilian wool to the crochet. I took it out and I gave it a single knot, like so. Yeah. Guys, I won't even lie, at this point I did not even know what style I wanted to make. You know, I was just playing around with the hair. I didn't even know what I was doing until I got to the end. I just decided to pick whichever look that goes well with me on my mirror. Here's what the hair is looking like after I was done crocheting. So I went ahead to trim out some ends of the hair, but I was not able to show you guys that part. So here's the final look that I just went for. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you.